I am Balwa Nebie, sorghum breeder from Ikrizat, Mali. So the sorghum program is working with national partners in the region. We develop a variety, and these partners are testing variety, and they release them with farmer using participatory approach. So during the last 10 years, the program has developed 25 improved variety. Among them, 7 hybrid with high grain yield, which is about 3 tons per hectare. And this hybrid has grain yield advantage around 30% compared to the local variety. And we are also 18 OPV, open pollinate variety. Among them, 8 multi-purpose sweet sorghum. And these multi-purpose sweet sorghum were released for the first time in 2016 in the region. And one of the advantage is the quality of forage, because the forage has low lignin content, and this increases the digestibility. So the digestibility of the forage is higher compared to the local variety. And also we are monitoring farmers to produce the seed of this variety. And during the 4 past years, farmers produce over 300 tons of seed in Mali for them own use and also for business. So we are also targeting the nutrition. It's not only the yield, but nutrition is one of important components of our work. So for that, we have a specific program which is working on biofortified variety. And then this variety are high iron and zinc content. And at the beginning, what we've done is to screen all of our release variety. And we have identified around 10 variety with higher iron and zinc content to release to farmers, and also to be used in our breeding program to develop specific population for iron and zinc content for the diverse zone we have in the region. So in addition to the nutrition, we are working to increase the farming resilience to climate change and variability. And for that, our work is focused on developing variety with photo period sensitivity. And this variety really very independently to the sowing date. Even if you sow them in June or July, they will complete their duration, their cycle, and they will flower at the end of September. This is very important to reduce the risk the risk of to reduce the risk. And in addition to the photo period sensitivity, which is important, we are also working on early maturity. We develop some material with early maturity to be grow. Even if you sow them late, you can harvest depending to the crop, the season. So and to really sustainable to make sustainable this work, we include NGOs and local government in our work, and also we train directly farmers to produce a seed. We train them for seed production technique, and also how they can maintain the internal organization for the cooperative. And also we work also on the development of local market, how farmers are going to develop their own market for the variety release to really reach the farmer in their zone. So we develop different type of tools for that, including mini package, labels, because we label variety with specific name and key information, and also communication with local radios. So also we are working to develop capacity of our partners. We really support the research program, especially breeder in the region, and also in terms of capacity building of youth. We have some students. Every year we are around 5 students We train them. This is for short training for their master or bachelor degree. And also we have 4 students actually, 4 students PhD, doing their PhD, 2 male and 2 female. So we are working with universities and other organizations for that. Thank you very much.